Good morning, students. Today we will learn and understand chapter 8, conquering distance. Conquering distances, दूरी पर विजय. दूरी पर विजय. We know the early human moved one place to another on foot. They went to one place to another in search of food and shelter. They moved one place to another on foot and they carried their loads on their back, shoulder, so they could not go far away with carrying their loads. After some that passage, they make a cart that is called sledge. Cart that is called sledge. S-L-E-D-G. Sledge. Sledge is a without wheels, wheelless cart. Sledge is a wheelless cart. A wheelless cart. Sledge. What is sledge? Sledge is a wheelless cart. There is no wheel fitted in sledge. They carry their heavy loads, their goods on sledge and they draw this sledge and go one place to another. After that, they make wheel cart. They make wheel cart and fitted in sledge. So, early man, it is invention of wheel. The carry load is easy. Then they go one place to another with their heavy loads and they carry their goods. Good is adjective and we add s in adjective, then goods, that is wheat, rice, barley, jute, etc. are called material nouns. etc. are called material nouns. So yearly mine, the first regulation of the yearly mine make wheel cart fitted cart wheels in sledge, that is a wheelless cart. After that, the second regulation, the many scientists make cart, that is means of communication, that is a steam engine, that is a steam engine. A steam engine is invented by a steam engine is invented by James Watt. James Watt in 1769. After that, the George Stephenson built first train called rocket. George Stephenson built first train called rocket. That trains run with diesel, petrol and coal. This train runs with diesel, petrol and coal. After that, the time passes. Today we have modern means of communication. Are bus, truck, tractor, train, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. etc. are the modern means of transport. Modern means of transport are bus, truck, tractor, train, aeroplane, helicopter, ship, etc. The invention of modern means of transport very easy to travel one place to another. If we want to go to few places, we take by bus, tempo, and if we want to go to distance areas, cities, we take train. And if we want to travel a long distance, then we convenient aeroplane and helicopter. We take means of communications, aeroplane and helicopter by long distance. So the modern means of transport make the traveling easy, and such we think that the distances reduce in short. Long distances today will reduce in short. ऐसा लगता है कि पूरी दुनिया सिमट गई हो। जो लंबी दूरी थी, जिसको जाने में हमें महीना 6 महीना लगता था, अब हम हवाई जहाज के माध्यम से 2 दिन, 4 दिन, 10 दिन में अपने गंतव्य स्थान पर पहुंच सकते हैं। We go anywhere. My destination is if Patna, we take bus. If my destination is Allahabad, we take train. And if my destination is Mumbai, we take aeroplane, helicopter. So distances, very far distances reduce in short, and we save time and also money. So means of communication make a revolution in reducing the distances. Now we know various types of means of transport. The main transport system are first roadways, second waterways, third airways. There are 3 transport system: roadways, सड़क मार्ग, waterways, जल मार्ग, and airways, वायु मार्ग. But there roadways, second railways, third waterways, and fourth airways. Four main modes of transport, mode of transports: roadways, railways, waterways, airways. This means of communication make the traveling easy anywhere, anytime. Now we know each one by one in detail. We know first roadways. First roadways. Roadways are of two types. First, private road, private road, that is called pakka road. And second, unpaved कच्चा रोड. कच्चा रोड, पक्का रोड connect cities and towns. Pakka or private road are found mainly in cities or towns. They connect town and cities. Cities, they are built by stone, cement, coal tar, and private or kacha road are mainly found in rural area. Rural areas, village. They are mud road. They made with mud. Mitti. So roads are two types: private road and unprivate road. Private road, pakka road, and unprivate kacha road. Private roads found in towns and cities. They connect town and cities of different states, different country. And kacha private road mainly found in rural area, in village. In beginning, the roads are narrow in modern areas, in modern age, very long straight roads are built and they connect one district to another district, one state to another state, and one country to another country. In some countries, there are many broad, long, go straight, very distance. Such road connects one country to another country. They are known as highways, expressways, or freeways. In highway, expressways have two roads, two lanes. Here we see in towns, cities, and the village roads are in village and towns roads have the single road that the vehicles runs one side and after they run and the other sides, opposite sides they run. But in many countries, the highway road and freeway road, highways, freeways, or expressways have many lanes. They have highways, expressways have main two lanes. The vehicles run one side continuously and the opposite sides the vehicles runs in opposite directions continuously, and they are in the middle is filled with grass or small plants and flowers. Grass or small plants countries have flyover. They run a straight, very long distance. They don't move in between or round. The highways or freeways, road, and the some countries have highways. They go through one direction. Directions and many lanes. In roadways, a huge vehicles runs and they go their destinations. They are called highways, freeways, or expressways. Highways, freeways, or expressways have two lanes. One side, the vehicles run through one side, and opposite sides, the vehicles run opposite sides. So, the highways, freeways, and expressways some expressway roads in countries are autobahns. Autobahns in Germany, in India, also a highway long distance road. The main long distance road is Grand Trunk Road. Grand Trunk Road. Grand Trunk Road. Also called GT Road. This road built by Sher Shah Suri, the founder of Suri dynasty. Sher Shah Suri built Grand Trunk Road, and this road connect and run Kolkata West Bengal, East in India with Peshawar
हेलो
Peshawar Pakistan
हेलो हाँ हेलो हेलो हाँ बोला
west Peshawar Pakistan in west Grand Trunk Road built by Sher Shah Suri. This road run Kolkata, West Bengal, east in India with Peshawar, Pakistan in the west. So this is the longest highway road in India. Now we know increasing roads have many problems. Increasing roads have many problems. Has two main problems. Two main problems. First, increasing pollution. Pollution. Second, road accidents. Road accidents. Increasing road traffic. Increasing means of transport has two main problems. Pollution, create pollution, and road accidents. Create pollution, the fuels released vehicles make atmosphere polluted, and many road accidents create due to we are not follow rules of traffic. If we follow rules of traffic, we could reduce road accidents. So this is means of transport. We know about roads and types of roads. Thank you.